Hi, my name is Anne Marie Ellis. I'm from Austin, Texas. We're in Egypt right now, heading from Aswan down to Luxor on the Queen Nefertiti boat. The sun is bright, the water's beautiful, and the temperature is very mild, so it's an ideal time to be in Egypt. Here we are sailing down the Nile River, pretending like we're Cleopatra, a very relaxing place to be. We're heading right now from Aswan down to Luxor, and we will see some of the most impressive of all of the antiquities when we get to Luxor tonight and tomorrow. The boat holds about 75 people, but because O.A.T prizes the fact that you're in a smaller group, we've been divided into the red, blue, and yellow groups, so only a third of us go with one guide.
Yay, we had such a great time!
I am Rimon Ramses, the boat manager of Nefertiti. The ship refurbished totally in 2018. We started from the dining room up to the lobby and the lounge, and as well as the cabins and the crew area as well.
There are 5 decks on the boats. Most of the cabins are on the 200 level or the 300 level.
Our cabin's great. It's much larger than we thought it would be. The balcony is great. I've got some awesome photos.
This is the lounge area of the boat. Great for reading, for cocktails, for coffee. It's open all the time. Last night we had a terrific party. We had drummers and twirling dervishes. And line dancing, and cocktails. We had a great time. We can go downstairs to where we take our meals on the boat. This is our dining room. This is where we have breakfast, lunch, and supper when we do have 3 meals on board. Many times we'll have lunch while we're out, or we'll have dinner in a special place. You are definitely going to gain weight. Even though we do a lot of walking, the food is very good. And all of the staff are so accommodating. They really, really want you to have a good time.
You got me. High five. Easier to see? Magic. Magic trick.
This afternoon, the chef's going to have a cooking class for us. He's going to demonstrate the making of a typical Egyptian meal, and he has promised us that we're going to get the recipes to take home, so that should be a lot of fun.
It's more than us.
The food has been extraordinary. I've enjoyed the variety. I've enjoyed that it's local cuisine.
We had a cooking lesson. Yes, it was a lot of fun.
Very good.
Today was a very relaxing day when we started sailing. The boat is very nice. I can't tell you how attentive the staff is. I mean, with not only our rooms, but when we're down here dining, the service, they're right there and they do it with pleasure.
We do have on board, as I mentioned, 45 crew members. Right now, I'm going to introduce all of them. So we are going to skip dinner tonight. There are around 45 staff members on board, serving around 66 up to 75 passengers. This is a great ratio. You will never find it on all the ship over the Nile. So we get the opportunity to communicate more with the guests, to let them enlarge their experience in Egypt and to pay more attention for the needs and the wants of the guests.
The crew on this ship is amazing, from top to bottom, amazing.
Just earlier today, we asked if we could go to the bridge and see how the ship is navigated and driven. And we got a special tour there for just 3 of us and got to meet the pilot, and it's quite extraordinary. He knows 1,000 miles of the Nile River by heart and in his head. It's amazing. They don't use radar, they don't use sonar, they just use this man's knowledge.
I don't think you could travel any other way if you're in Egypt, but up and down the Nile. On this tour, we get to stop not only to learn about the temples along the way, the history, all of that, but we also get to visit with families along the way, to eat in their homes, to learn about their lives, their children's lives, their expectations, their perceptions of life today in Egypt.
The thing that I most enjoy working on Nefertiti, that communicating and enjoying sharing the ideas with the guests. Ideas about Egypt and about the culture. It let me feel that I'm present, not only O.A.T, but I'm present Egypt as well. And it gave me a great pleasure to help my country this way.
So I'm going to go through the details of tomorrow. However, that will be sending you all the details to your room.
Thank you one more time for being our guest and what we enjoy staying.